Good morning, dear students. I am Dhanashri, your computer teacher, and I hope everyone is fine and taking all the safety measures at home. Today, we will start with chapter number 11, Google Drive. Suppose there are some important files and I want to store that files at a central location so that I can use that file or I can access that file at home when I am traveling or at workplace or from my mobile. So Google Drive is an app or a service given by a Google so that you can store all your files at a central location. That means Google will provide you a storage space to store all the files which are important to you, and if that files you have created using your laptop and by chance you have forgotten your laptop somewhere at home and you want to access that files urgently, so there is no need of your laptop to access a file if you have stored all that files in your Google Drive. So what is the requirement? That first of all you should upload or you should save all that files to this Google Drive, and once you have uploaded or once you have saved that file to a Google Drive, that files can be accessed from any device which has internet connection. So files you have created using your laptop or phone, you can use it anywhere in the world if you have internet connection. Now you must have seen this icon in your mom's or dad's smartphone. Now this icon is your Google Drive application. So what is Google Drive? It is a online backup storage of your important files. That means using internet you are taking backup or you are saving your important files online, so that if your system crashes you can get back that files, or if you want to access that files anywhere or anytime using internet you can access that files. So Google Drive is a free service. Free service means what? You do not pay or no need to pay any charges if you want to use Google Drive. And this Google Drive enables you to store, access and share files. Okay, you whatever files you have stored you can access it and you can share it anytime and anywhere. Okay, so what do you mean by share? Share means if you have stored some files and you want to send that files to your friends or relatives, you can easily share that files. So it is launched on 24th April 2012. So it is a service given by Google and it is free of cost, and it is launched on 24th April 2012. Next one is how much storage space it will offer you. It will offer you 15 GB storage space. So if you want to increase this storage space you can increase, but after 15 GB you have to pay monthly charges to Google. Okay, so 15 GB space is free of cost. Now what you can store in this Google Drive? You can store your photos, videos, drawing, any document file, or whatever files are there in your computer or in your phone or in your laptop, all those files you can store in Google Drive. So it's not like that you can only store photos, you can only store videos, you can only store drawing. You can store any type of file. Now you can access this Google Drive offline also. That means if there is no internet connection, all the files you can use offline. But first there is one option that make this file offline. This option you have to use, and if you have used that option, you can store or you can use that files without internet. It also offers various storage plans. I have already told 15 GB, up to 15 GB it is free, but after 15 GB if you want more space, you have to pay for it. And how much more space you can use? 30 TB. Okay, so 15 GB till 15 GB free. After 15 GB you have to pay monthly subscription charges. Now we will see advantages of Google Drive. First one is easy uploading and storing. Easy uploading means what? Just you have to click on some button, you have to select the file, and that file will be uploaded automatically. No need to do anything, just internet connection should be there. Next one, easy editing of the files. Suppose you have stored one document file in a Google Drive and you want to edit, you want to make changes in that file, you can easily make changes. Remote access from any device. What do you mean by remote access? Remote access means suppose one file I have created in my laptop, I will store that file in my Google Drive, and suppose I come to school and I want to access that file on school's computer lab. In school's computer lab, I can easily access that file in school's computer lab. So file is made on my laptop, but I can easily access that file on any device which has internet connection. Easy searching means if you don't find that file, you can type a name and Google Drive will give you a file list which is similar to the name which you have typed in search box. Sharing files with other friends. So if you have saved any file in a Google Drive, you can share that file with your friends. Next advantage is open discussion. What do you mean by open discussion? Open discussion means suppose I have created one file and I have shared that file with my friend, and that friend want to suggest some changes in that file. So on that file my friend can comment, and I can read that comment and I can reply to my friend. So it is like a open discussion. Google Drive give you this feature also. If you share some files with anyone, that person can comment on your file free of cost. That means up to 15 GB, no need to pay anything to Google. Free web-based application. Now free web-based application means suppose I told you that make one document file. You use MS Word, right? If I say prepare one PowerPoint presentation, you use PowerPoint software, right? So Google Drive will give you all softwares to create document, to create Power presentation. So all that software Google Drive will provide you online. So no need to use Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint or Microsoft Excel. So similar application Google Drive will provide you online. Thank you and have a nice day.